Most people get this wrong. They think all credit builder tools work the same way, but the biggest mistake you need to avoid is choosing without understanding how each system actually reports your credit. In this video, we are breaking down Self-Lender versus Chime Credit Builder in 2026, so you can clearly understand which one fits your situation best. Let's start with what each one actually is. The Self-Credit Builder is an installment-based credit building system. You make fixed monthly payments into a credit account, and those payments are reported to credit bureaus as installment history. Now, compare that with the Chime Credit Builder card, which works more like a secured debit card, linked to your own funds. Now here's where it gets interesting. Both tools help build credit, but they work in completely different ways. One builds credit through installment payments. The other builds credit through spending behavior and repayment patterns. But here's the problem most beginners face. They assume the fastest credit builder is automatically the best one. In reality, the best option depends on how you manage money day to day. So let's break it down, step by step. First, structure. Self-Lender focuses on fixed monthly payments. You do not spend money freely. You simply build credit through consistent deposits. Chime Credit Builder works differently. You move money into your secured account, then use the card for purchases, and pay it off. For someone like Alex who wants real spending experience while building credit, this can feel more practical. Now let's talk about credit reporting. Both report to major credit bureaus, but they report different behaviors. Self focuses on installment history. Chime focuses more on usage and payment activity. Now here's where most people make mistakes. They pick based on features instead of habits. If Jake struggles with overspending, a spending-based card can be risky. If he prefers structured discipline, Self may be easier to manage. In a minute, I'll show you the simple rule that instantly tells you which one you should choose based on your personality and credit goals. Now let's talk about speed. Both can help build credit within a few months, but consistency matters more than the product itself. Missing payments or misusing either system slows results significantly. So which one is better? If you want structured, hands-off credit building, Self is a strong choice. If you want real-world spending experience while building credit, Chime Credit Builder is often more practical. Let's make it simple. Self is better for structured installment credit building. Chime is better for everyday usage-based credit building. Let's summarize everything clearly. Self-Lender versus Chime Credit Builder in 2026 is not about which is universally better. It is about which matches your habits. Structure versus spending behavior. If this helped you understand the difference clearly, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple credit breakdowns like this.